Hello, good night. Welcome back to another edition of Client-Server Technology. It's iTech285 with me, Adam Lumia. Alright, tonight we're gonna do setting up a web server. Now, you've seen previous tutorials on how to set up a web server using DNS host sites and installing updaters on your computer. Well, my version is short, simple, and sweet. We're basically going to use Wampserver. As I said in my previous tutorial, Wampserver is basically Apache, MySQL, and PHP server for Windows. We're only going to use one of those services, which is, you guessed it, Apache server. So, what we're going to do is download Wampserver and install it. You're going to open your browser, you're going to go Google Wampserver, click on the link, and you should come across this page here, Wampserver. Right. Click on the downloads and it'll send you straight here. Download either 32-bit or 64-bit, whichever tickles your fancy. Right. After you finish install, click down here and you look for your Wampserver icon. If it's offline, you left click and you put online. I'm going to take it offline just to show you. Alright, so the server's offline, so I'm going to put it back online. See the icons change again, and green means it's good to go. Start all services. Left click and click on the start all services. Alright, so everything should be up and running. You want to double check, you left click again, go to Apache, go to service. See, start resume service grayed out, which means service is up and running. Right, so what you're going to do is you're going to open a browser. Of my system, the IP address would be different. Yours might be 192.168. For my own, it would be 127.0.0.1. And when I enter that IP address, here we are. This is my Wampserver web page. See, the Apache version 2.2.21. Now, for those of you who have done or are doing web design, you can change this window to look very different, as in you could put your own site that you've created in this window here. Right? What you're going to have to do is you have to go to your computer, go to where you installed Wampserver, which would be your C drive, so it'll be C WAMP. You're going to go to the www page, right? And you're going to insert the website that you've created in this folder here. And once you refresh it, and you come back here, your website should show up here. Right? Now, what you also need to remember is that when broadcasting your website on the outside, you'll need to learn to do port forwarding. Right? So I'm just going to show you how to do that. I'm going to access your router. 192.168.0.1. This is my router. I'm going to log in. Right. You're going to go to the firewall, you're going to go to port trigger, and you're going to add the description, you're going to add the inbound port, the format, and the target port. And if that doesn't work, you can use the DMZ option. I would only recommend this option only if you actually know what you're doing, because the DMZ host option could leave you at a security risk. But as you can see, this option has your public IP and also your private IP. So when anyone from the outside logs into your web server, they would have to type in this IP address, the WAN IP address, and it'll direct them through your router straight to your private IP address. Okay. There are also other different ways you can test to make sure that your web server is up and running. For instance, you open up a new tab and you type localhost. See, there it is again. Another way also is that you left click on the Wampserver icon. And you click here, localhost, right in the Wampserver program. You click on this. There you go, same page again. Alright. That's it. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty quick. I hope this video was helpful, and if you find that the video was too short or it lacked certain things in the video, please comment, please message, and I will try to make a better video, probably one longer, more detailed, and I'll post it up soon. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.